Hi, I'm Dr. Shermaine Lagos of Newmark, Philippines. In celebration of the Pride Month, today we're highlighting transgender hair restoration, one of my favorite procedures to perform. Para sa maraming trans individual, malaking bagay ang buhok. Sa pagpapahayag ng identity, it's more than just looks, it's about feeling truly you. Sa mga male to female patient, we do hairline feminization. Pinapalambot at pinapa-feminine ang hairline to match your gender identity at pwede rin eyelash at eyebrow hair transplant for a more feminine look. At para naman sa female to male, we do beard, mustache, sideburn, at pati na rin ang mas defined masculine hairline design gamit ang advanced FEE technique. Hair restoration for transgender individuals is minimally invasive, delivers natural-looking results, and is truly tailored to your unique transition journey. Hindi lang ito cosmetic, it's self-love, empowerment, at pagiging totoo sa sarili mo. We help you look the way you truly feel inside.